Do you need money fast? I'm talking about paying off a credit card bill, a light bill, a gas bill, a phone bill. Are you in need to pay off rent, mortgage? All right, I'm glad you stopped by because this episode is aimed to you, the single parent homes, those who trying to make ends meet, whether you are married, whether you are single. It doesn't matter. You're trying to take care of your family, you're trying to keep the lights on. This one's for you. This is the one, the only Coach Flo with another episode of Generational Investing. And I'm glad you have clicked on this episode. All right, because I'm gonna give you 10, that's right, 10 passive side hustle that you can start today. That's right, right now, you can start today. All right, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, hit that like, and continue to share the channel with everyone and anyone you know who wants to build up their financial future, that wants to invest, they want to budget, they just want to be in a better place, they want to be in a better space and just continue to get out of this rat race. All right, so the first one I want to talk about is sell some stuff that you already own. I'm talking about furniture, jewelry, antique, shoes, sneakers, electronics. You can start by taking inventory what's in your closet and you don't wear it no more and it's just been collecting dust and it's wearable, it still has value. That's one of the ways you can start this thing out and make some good money, depending on the material, depending on the brand. It's so many ways you can do this. Okay, so when you look at selling your own stuff that you have in the closet or in the garage, look at Facebook Marketplace. All right, I'm gonna say it again. Facebook Marketplace is one of them. eBay, and then you can just have a plain garage sale. I'm talking about everything gotta go. We talking about whether it's old to you but it's new to somebody else. They always say one man's trash is another man's treasure, so you gotta look at that. All right, so that's number one. So take inventory and say, you know what, everything gotta go, something gotta go. I gotta keep the lights on, I gotta keep the kids fed. So sell stuff you already own. That's the first one. All right, so think of what is valuable to you, because it definitely has value to somebody else as well. All right, moving on to delivering food. Definitely is so many ways you can do this. You can make your own schedule. We talk about DoorDash, Postmates, Instacart, Grubhub, Simply Hire. These are all the places and websites and apps that you can download and start today. We talking about delivering food, delivering groceries, and just set up a profile, set up an account, and go make this money. Extra income, extra revenue, all right? Passive, all right? Start thinking about that. How much you want to make, and that depends on how many hours you're trying to put in. So you take some time on the weekend and you are just strapped for cash and you're trying to get it quick, deliver some food. Number 3, moving on to part-time job. There is so many websites that you can tap into. ZipRecruiter, Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Simply Hiring. All right, so these are websites you can go into and see what you might be interested in, what interests you, and just fill it out. And it don't even matter if it's 10 to 20 hours a week. That's extra money in your pocket that you are trying to pay off credit cards. That's extra money that you are trying to keep gas in your car. That's extra money that you're trying to buy groceries, because we know groceries are expensive. Food is expensive in general. So we're talking about inflation. So why not build up that emergency fund by taking a part-time job, stashing up that extra cash that you might need in the future, or you might need it right now. So this is definitely something that you can think about, part-time job, and they don't have to be many hours. Then you got affiliate marketing. You got Shopify, Amazon associates. You got Nike. You have Target. All types of social media. When it comes to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, affiliate marketing is a no-brainer, because you can take promo code and put it on your profile, whether it's TikTok or Facebook, and you share it with your family and friends, they click on the promo and use the promo, you get paid. Not only just that, but they also, it's all about you getting referrals. So the more referrals you get, the more payout you're going to get. So definitely affiliate marketing is definitely no brainer. And then think about all the type of digital marketing that you, if you're good at and you're interested in the digital marketing space, that's another way you can get into it. So affiliate marketing, clothing, shoes, affiliate marketing, that's another passive way. Just build up that profile and build up that brand. All right. And then let's move on to you rent out unused space. The Airbnbs, the Verbos, they have Zillow, they have a website called Avail, or Apartment Finder. Okay, so this is another way. Right? It's a space in your place that you can get paid off of when you rent it out to someone. All right, so you just got to look at, depending on where you stay at, loft, condo, beach home, look at talk with the landlord and see if that's possible that you can rent out your space. Or if you are a homeowner, you definitely can rent it out as well, because you working on building and also not just building up the equity, but you also want to pay off your home. So why not rent out your space, garage, what have you, and make that extra income? All right, make that extra income. So renting it out, definitely look into that. Then let's move on to drive or riding service. When I mean that, I'm talking about Lyft and Uber. You can make your own schedule. All right, make your own schedule. Work as many hours or not work as many hours, but you're just trying to make some quick money. And like I said, you're trying to pay off something or you're trying to save up for something. This is another way. All right, Uber and Lyft. Then find odd jobs. They have websites like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, GigWalk, Nextdoor. You know what I'm talking about, Nextdoor. All these audience jobs, if you're good with your hands, yard work, landscaping, pet sitting for those pet lovers. You got house cleaning, if you good with cleaning up. Washing clothes, laundry, right? Moving furniture, home repairs. There is always something that needs to be repaired if you're a home buyer. Yes, shout out to you, because I'm definitely one of those. All right, so if you're good at building up fences, you look at cleaning out the gutters, power washing, you're looking at fixing up some sinks, if you're looking at fixing up a toilet, a refrigerator, air conditioner, it's so many different things when it comes to a house that I wish somebody would have told me about being a first home owner, a first home buyer, that if you know somebody, it definitely helps. But all these different types of tools and websites at your disposal. Like I said, look them up. TaskRabbit, Fiverr, GitWalk, Nextdoor, and it's people who will work with you if you are on a budget. All right, let's go on to virtual assistant. This is those who are good at administrative, scheduling meetings, data entry, talking about checking emails. All right, so virtual assistant, that's another way. If you have a lot of kids and you want to work remotely, virtual assistant. All right, there is so many different remote jobs that you have to go do your research first and foremost, but you can stay at home and work, and then you can make up your own hours, just like I said. So you just gotta do what's best for you. And let's move on to, if you are good with art, sell your own art. If you're good with painting, photograph, you're talking about photography. I'm talking about getting the good angles, whether you sitting by the water, you sitting at a restaurant, or you sitting by some type of forest and trees, and you sitting in a real scenic park. Hey, sell your own art. Graphic designs, pop-up shops, that's where you get that networking in, all right? Art fairs, and then you got Shopify. So it's so many, and then Etsy. You got so many different ways. If you're good at art and you're really artsy, this is a way to make money as well. Okay, so sell your own art, and And the way things with AI is going, this is definitely going to be a new wave for all those artists out there and game designers and graphic designers. It's just, the field is wide open. All right, and then we want to sum it all up. Provide IT service. This is for all my tech savvy people like myself. All right, so you can help local companies install antivirus software. You can secure the firewall, resetting passwords, setting up video conferences tools like Zoom and Google Rooms and all the different type of Microsoft 365. It's real money to be made in these spaces. And when I'm talking about cybersecurity, which is I'm a very fan of, all right, this IT support, this is gonna be a life-changing space when I talk about cybersecurity, because with so many different scams and things, people want to need someone that knows how to keep all their stuff private, because no one, and I do mean no one, likes to be scammed or for someone to invade their privacy. All right, so provide IT services. Want to wrap it up. So all these different types of gigs and side hustles, you can start today. All right, why wait? All right, we talking about keeping the lights on. We want to stash the cash, build up emergency funds for those out there. We want to pay off some things, and why not start today at these different types of passive ways, side gigs, and who knows where it can go if you are diligent, if you're consistent. There is no limit, there is no cap on how much money you can make. I said 1,000, but you can go over 1,000. Just if you real consistent, if you continue to do it continuously. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this episode by hitting the thumbs up button, hitting the like, hitting subscribe. We want to get these likes up. All right, we gotta get these likes up to at least 20 likes, if not more, because I know there's someone who can benefit from this type of message, this type of content. And we want to continue to get the subscribers up all the way to 1,000+ subscribers. I always say, like I always say, don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't do, because it happened to who? You. I'll see you in the next one.